Hey, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here a model kit from KOTOBUKIYA, which is the Kisei Kuushiki from the video game Border Break. And this kit is really hard to find nowadays, and good luck finding this. And if you do, other seller will sell this in an overpriced status. So I bought this Kisei Kuushiki for about 6,000 pesos from Ano Toys here in the Philippines. And this kit is really nice. I really like the proportion and appearance of this kit. This really look like a futuristic battle machine, and this is near reality that someday there will be mecha robots that will fight for wars in the near future, and this might look like this kind of kit. As for me, this is really realistic looking robot. The design is really realistic. And the kit is really good in terms of color separation. So we got this minty green accents on different parts, from the head, torso, waist, upper arm or the shoulders, and side boosters and the feet, and also in the back skirt, and the weapons, the guns and the sword. So it has this kind of accents. And the white, this is not a pure white, it's a bit dirty white. I don't know in the camera if it looks like so white like that. And the gray is really nice. It's a matted gray. So the articulation for this kit, let's review the articulation. So the head here, the head sculpt is really nice. You can see here this visor. This is the only clear plastic part that is available in the kit. The visor here appears to be clear blue, which is very nice. As you can see, you can detect it even in the camera. There we have this clear blue visor, and the head can rotate up to this far. But as you can see, there are loose parts for the head, especially this horn here. So be careful with this horn. So I might put some glue on this horn after this review to make it sturdy. So the shoulder can rotate 360 degrees, and it can raise up to this far like that. The elbows can bend up to this far, up to this manner, which is very nice, near 180 degrees, and can rotate. Upper arm can rotate 360 degrees like that. And the hands, as you can see, I change it from Dalin to Dalin decal hand, from the stock hand to Dalin decal hand. I much like it to have this kind of hand to make it more master gradish feels like that, more realistic. And the hands or the forearm has this kind of gimmicks. So we got this packs here. He has this pack. I don't know what's the purpose of this one. And in the other arm or forearm, he got this blank or hole here maybe some pack or some figure or parts can be attached here, but unfortunately there is none included in the set. Okay, so the waist can rotate 360 degrees like that, and the hips are on the ball joint here. It's a ball joint. Can kick up to this far. No limitations because it has no skirts, front skirt and side skirts. Okay, and it can kick up to that far. Very nice. Okay, and it has this ball jointed side booster here. Okay, very nice, nicely detailed. The knees is a bit stiff, which is, yeah, a bit troublesome because this is an early KOTOBUKIYA releases, so the joints are not that good. Sometimes it's loose, sometimes it's stiff, but the knees can bend up to this far. Very nice, nicely bent, and it doesn't have ankle. It seems that the shin is cut into half, so he looks so stub. He looks so short. So the shin is a bit looks like cut into half, but it's connected with this kind of ankle joint, so it can rotate like that. The feet can swivel side to side like that. It has a hinge there, and it can do some plantar extend and plantar flex. Also, the toes is really nice. It can do some toe bend, flex and extend, and it has a wheel. It has two wheels on each feet, so it can hover around. So this kit tends to hover, not to walk. So something like that. See, you can feel that the wheels are rotating when I do this. Okay, so the armaments for this kit, it has sword. So the sword is like this, and it has a gun. So the gun here is being placed in the center of the backpack, and the sword can be placed on either side. You have a peg here, both sides, and there's a hole for the peg to be inserted. So there's this structure here which looks like a PlayStation to me. But I think this is a battery pack, and I don't know if we can fit it here on the arm, but no, there's no structure, the same peg like this. Okay, so it cannot be inserted. So you can put this pack here on the back, so it's like a battery pack. So there, and I think this one here, yes. So it's up to you where you want to place this pack here. It's either left or the right forearm. I just wish that the KOTOBUKIYA included another one of this so they can be symmetrical, but no, it's only one. Okay, so let's talk about the weapon. So the weapon here is the sword. So the sword can be extended and retracted. So the handle here can be extended like that, and there you go. It's only up to this far. Yep, as far as it can extend. So up to this far. And the gun is really interesting here. The gun is folded and can be extended as well. So first thing is you need to rotate this and align like this. Okay, so the gun here is really nice. Yep. As you can see, we have the full gun like this. Yep. The gun is really cool. I really like it. So can the Dalin decal hold this? So I didn't yet modify this thing. I might put some peg there for it to grasp the gun better like that. But still, Dalin decal can hold the gun like this. Okay. So I might do some modification after this review. I will put some peg there for it to hold it well, something like that. Okay. So there it can hold the gun pretty far like this. Very awesome. Yep. There. And how about the sword? Can it hold the sword? Yes, it can. Okay, on this manner, it can hold sword perfectly fine like this. So there, it can hold the sword or the blade. Yep, very nice. And what I did is I let him borrow the weapon of Evangelion Unit 2 Cannibalism, which is this one. This is a twin saber where you can dismantle into two. There, you can hold it like this, and the other one like this. Okay, so you can hold it perfectly fine like that. So there, very nice. I really like it. So let's compare the size of this kit with my other KOTOBUKIYA kit here. I got here the 172 scale armored core. Yep. So even though he is a 135 or 35th scale, if I'm not mistaken, still shorter than the 172 scale armored core. And let's compare it with the average master grade Gundam RX-78-2 from Bandai. It's a 1/100 scale. So still, the master grade 1/100 is taller than the two. So I hope you find this review informative. If you want to buy the Kisei Kuushiki border break model kit from KOTOBUKIYA, and I hope you can find one because this is really hard to find. This is a rare kit to find nowadays, and if you find one, be prepared for the price. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Galba Studio saying good night, Galbas, take care, and thank you so much for watching this review. See you next time.